I'm going to be trying these nature's wild berries. Make sour taste sweeter than sugar in 30 seconds. Here I got some pickle juice. Let's see if it's sweet. It don't taste like pickles. But it's kind of sweet. It's crazy alright how it turned this pickle juice sweet. I'm going to pour me some apple cider vinegar. This is the ultimate test, folks. Cheers. That's the ultimate test, alright. Well, it's a sweet, hot. Next up is cranberry juice. I hope it's sweet. Yep, it's sweet. It's a lemon. Tastes like a sweet lemon. Oh boy. Doggone. I love them berries. I think I'll use them more often. If you want to try these berries yourself, use the code HOWDY for 20% off your order.